Okay, so it's 52511. How would you dial?
525. Whoopsie. 5.
Yeah.
2 5 1 1.
Is that how it's done?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Laleen, you know how to use this phone? Dial a number.
52511.
No, you dial 82922. No, start from the beginning. It's a working phone. What would you do?
That.
No. It's a working phone. So, what do you do? First thing.
Hello.
Gibran, let Laleen do it.
Yeah, let me do it.
So, put it down. Now, start from the beginning. It's a working phone. You have to call someone.
What's the number?
82922.
9 2 2.
You sure that's how it's done? No, that was not on all phones. How do you know what is 8?
That one.
And then what do you do?
Spin it to the.
You sure that's how it is? Or how?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because it's logic.
Logical?
Yes.
Gibran, what do you think?
Yeah.
That's how it is?
It's just.
And then in the end, do you have to press anything or do anything?
No. You pressed it. No, you just ended
Hello.
the call. You just ended the call.